Best Luxury Sports Cars for 2024, 2023 Lexus RC F. As the automotive industry gears up for the latest releases in 2024, the 2023 Lexus RC F emerges as a standout among the best luxury sports cars of the year. Renowned for its blend of luxury, performance, and reliability, the RC F continues to captivate drivers with its striking design and exhilarating driving dynamics. The 2023 Lexus RC F makes a bold statement with its sleek and aggressive design that exudes athleticism and sophistication. Its sculpted lines, bold grille, and distinctive Lexus spindle grille create a commanding presence on the road, turning heads and demanding attention wherever it goes. From its LED headlights to its quad exhausts, every detail is meticulously crafted to showcase the RCF's performance-oriented nature. Under the hood, the 2023 RCF boasts a potent V8 engine, delivering exhilarating performance and dynamic acceleration that's sure to thrill drivers. With its rear-wheel drive configuration and advanced suspension system, the RCF offers precise handling and responsive steering, allowing drivers to experience the thrill of driving at its finest. But it's not just about performance. The 2023 Lexus RCF also impresses with its luxurious interior, featuring premium materials, exquisite craftsmanship, and a host of cutting-edge technology features. From the comfortable and supportive seats to the intuitive infotainment system and advanced driver assistance technologies, every aspect of the RCF's interior is designed to enhance the driving experience and provide unparalleled comfort and convenience. As one of the best luxury sports cars for 2024, the Lexus RC F represents the epitome of automotive excellence, combining breathtaking performance with refined luxury in a package that's as exhilarating as it is elegant. Its striking design, impressive performance, and uncompromising attention to detail ensure that it remains a top choice for drivers who demand the very best from their vehicles. In a market filled with contenders vying for attention, the 2023 Lexus RC F stands out as a true icon, a symbol of Japanese engineering prowess and automotive innovation. With its blend of luxury, performance, and reliability, it continues to captivate drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best luxury sports cars of 2024 and beyond.